guys, I'm here with Needle and Thread. Today we will be crafting a rope chew toy for dogs. Today we will be needing this, which is cardboard, and you will be needing a big hole in the middle and 8 different slits down the sides. You can use any other thick material. These are scissors you're going to need to cut the fabric. These need to be preferably fabric scissors to make them cut easier. And then this is fabric. It's preferably stretchy. It won't really work as well with any other fabrics, so stretchy or knitted fabric. This is what it'll turn out like when it's finished, with cut edges and different colors. You want to lay out your fabric, and this is about as thick as you want it. You want it about, I'd say, 5 inches wide. If you want the chew toy to be smaller, you will do it obviously not as wide. So I'm going to start cutting, and you're going to want to do this with all of your fabrics. It's fine if it's not super straight, because it's all going to be kind of rolled up, so that's okay too. Okay, so there's one, then I'm going to cut the rest of them out, and I'll show you in a step. Is to line all of the edges up, not both like that, just one of each. And I actually ended up doing 2 yellows, 2 stripes, 2 greens, and only 1 of these, so, which is still 7. And once you're finished, tie a big knot. Make sure all of them get inside. Just like that. And then you want to try and tie it as close up to that as possible, to the end as possible, and as tight as possible. So once that's all done, then we will get on to the next. And you could cut this off if you want to. You don't need to make it super short. Also, the lengths over here do not need to be the same size. As you can see, they're not. But you do want to make them pretty long, like I'd say about 3 feet at the longest. And so, yeah. And it can be a little shorter too, depending on how long you want it. This right here length will probably make it about there. So, yeah. Now, you want to put each individual one inside of the hole. So, that's all of them, and then you want to slide them up. And because they're longer, it will look like that. So you want to look for the ones that are longer and try and pull them to make them. All right, so now they're all pretty much the same, and I'm going to pull it all the way up to the knot. Now the knot is right there, and you're going to want to flip it over and thread each individual one into each individual slit. Try not to make 2 of the same colors, go into the same one, or go right next to each other. And then there's no specific pattern, and there will be 1 slit open. That is what the finished product should look like. And it doesn't really matter whether they're switched or turned on the inside, because that'll be fine. Just make sure that the knot is on the other side, and there's 1 slit open. So there's 8 and 7. Then you're gonna want to face the open slit forwards, and you are going to want to count 1, 2, 3 to your right, and flip that one into the slit. Then you're going to turn it around to where the slit is. 1, 2, 3, flip. Then you're going to turn it around again. It doesn't matter which way you turn it. 1, 2, 3, over to the slit. I will get back to you once I am in the middle way through and once I am finished. So here is the halfway product. This is what it should start to look like, although obviously in different colors. Over here, that's what it looks like. Make sure you keep pulling it and keep going 1, 2, 3 over. And you want to make sure to untangle them a lot too. Okay, so we are actually finished now. This one ran out, so that's when you kind of know when to stop, or you could just always make it longer, I guess, if you wanted to tie more, but it wouldn't obviously look very good. Right here is about how long it's gonna be, and then the next step is to unhook all of these. You just want to slide it out like so. And now just tie a whole nother knot just like that. And then try and tie it as far up as possible because you want to make the chew toy as big as possible. And then as tight as possible too. Okay. After that, there is your finished product. And then you want to cut it if you want, unless you want it that long, but and cut it. And there's your finished product. It's stretchy, so you can play tug of war. It has a bunch of different colors. You can throw it good. If it doesn't throw very good, you can always fold it in half and throw it. And it's just very useful and fun. And you could do obviously different colors. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed making your rope chew toy for dogs.